Correct answer is Madan Mohan Malaviya. Okay. So Hindu Banaras University, Central Hindu University. Central Hindu College at Banaras, it became university during the time of Madan Mohan Malaviya. And Central Hindu College, it was established by Srimati Annie Besant. Next question is, this is another movement that took birth in Bengal during the period of Brahma Samaj. During the period of Brahma Samaj, this was another movement in Bengal. So, Young Bengal movement. Next one is Atmiya Sabha, Hindu Mela, and last one is Aligarh movement.
Nutan Center, Young Bengal.
Next.
Bhuwana, they also sent.
What's your answer?
Young Bengal.
Young Bengal movement. Who established that?
Henry Louis Derazio.
Yes, Henry Louis Derazio. Henry Vivian Louis Derazio established Young Bengal movement. Yes, correct answer. Next question. Let us go for next questions. Yes. So here the question goes like this. Yes, this person is called the prophet of Indian nationalism by Ravindranath Tagore. Swami Vivekananda, Rajaram Mohan Rai, Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Narayana. Akshay?
Rajaram.
Yes. What about others?
They also sent Rajaram.
Yes. Correct answer is the founder of Brahma Samaj. It is Rajaram Mohan Rai. Next question, children. 18th one. This country is considered as the this century is considered as the Reformation and New Awakening time in the history of India. 16th, 14th, 18th, 19th.
19th century.
Akshay says it is 19th. What about others?
Sumuk also 19th century.
Others?
Many of them sent
19th century is the correct answer here. This period was called the Reformation and New Awakening period in India. 19th century, 1801 to 1899, that period. Okay. Many religious reformation movement took place. 1828, Brahma Samaj. 1875, Arya Samaj. Okay. 1867, Satyashodak Samaj. Like that, 1873 Satyashodak Samaj, 1867 Prarthana Samaj. Like this, many religious reformation movement took place in this period. Okay, next question. Next team, bada. Question आपको. Let them write the answer in the chat box. Yes, see here. A law prohibiting sati system. Over this one is over. No. A law prohibiting sati system was brought into force by Lord Warren Hastings, Cornwallis, William Bentinck, and Lord Mountbatten. Akshay says it is William Bentinck. Others? Be quick, children.
William Bentinck, Catholic Center, Rushman St.
William Bentinck. So everybody's answer is correct. It is Lord William Bentinck. Okay, is the correct answer. Because during that time, Lord William Bentinck was the viceroy and he was a very nice person, gentleman he was. Okay, Raja Ram Mohan Rai was the founder of this Brahma Samaj. Next question is, Young Bengal movement was started by Annie Besant, Derazio, Periyar, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Repeated question it is. The answer is Akshay? Derazio. I think everybody's answer is Derazio. Next, I want Nutan to speak. Nutan, can you speak to me?
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah. Tell me the answer, Mari. Gulamgiri is the book written by
Jyotiba Phule.
Yes, Nutan's answer is Jyotiba Phule. Please, others, chat in the chat box.
Also sent to Jyotiba.
Yes, any others?
Many of them sent in Jyotiba.
Yes, Jyotiba Phule is the correct answer. Yeah, correct. Okay, Nagraj, can you talk to me? Nagraj? Okay, Neha R. Hegde. Neha R. Hegde. Neha R. Hegde, can you talk to me? Okay, Nitin Shetty. Nitin? Nitin, can you talk to me?
Naga said that his mic is not.
Okay, Nitin, can you talk to me?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, let us see the next question, Nitin. See here. Yes, so this question is from the lesson banking transaction. All the 25 over.
But 21
There were 21. Let us see. Okay, see which of the following statement is true about, yes, which of the following statement about bank is not correct? Bank provides agency and utility service. There is trustee and beneficiary relationship between the banker and the customer. Banks undertake foreign exchange transactions. Banks always provide interest on deposits. Which one is correct, Nitin? Which one is not correct about banks?
There is trustee and beneficiary relationship between
Banker and customer.
between the bankers and the customer.
There is, this one is correct. You think it is, this statement is not correct about bank?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, next, next one is Pannaga. What's your answer? Pannaga? Yeah, next Rashmi, what's your answer?
Option D.
Option D. Vaishnavi V. Hegde.
Option D, Mataji.
Option D. Akshay.
Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Why is it the correct answer? Yes, Ashwit. Ashwit, why is option D correct? Will banks provide interest always? Or is there any time where they will not give interest? Akshay.
Manchi bank will provide in some bank accounts they will provide interest, but in business accounts they will not provide interest on deposit.
Yes, what is that business account? Akshay is saying that business account. What's that account called? Soumya Bhatt. Aniket? Aniket, what is that account called? In which type of account banks do not provide interest? Siri?
Current account.
Yes, the correct answer is current account. Next one. Question is, banco is an Italian word, French word, Latin word, Greek word. Pratham Bhatt. Banco.
Italian word.
Banco, Italian word. Okay, Shri Harsha. Banco, Italian word. Shri Harsha. Next. Yes, Shreya Bhatt.
Italian
Banco,
word.
Italian word. Banco is Italian word. Banque is French word. Okay. Both of them mean same thing. Table, money exchange table. Okay. Banco, Italian word is the correct answer. Next question. Yes. So here we have the question. This bank is called mother of banks or bankers bank. Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, National Bank, Post Bank. Akshay?
Reserve Bank of India.
Reserve Bank of India. Please, Nagraj, type your answer. Prajwal, type your answer. Which bank is called? Bankers Bank. Mother of all the banks. Nagraj?
Many of them sent RBI.
RBI is the correct answer. Okay. Yes. So next question, children. Kisan Vikasa Patra. Kisan Vikasa Patra is issued by. Correct answer is Karthik P. Hegde. Karthik P. Hegde. Arun. Arun and Karthik P. Hegde. Type the answer.
Post office.
Have they sent the answer?
Many of them sent.
What is their answer?
The Karthik sent a post like
Then Arun?
Some of them sent B, but many of them sent B. But Sudanwa sent option C.
Sudanwa, it's not the State Bank of India, it is Post Bank of India. Okay, Postal Bank of India. It used to issue Kisan Vikasa Patra, National Savings Certificate. Okay, they were all issued by Post Office. So important ones are Kisan Vikasa Patra, which helped the farmers. National Savings Certificate is another fixed deposit account started by this postal department. Yes, let us go for next question. Yeah, here we have the question, children. This type of account is suitable for pensioners, current account, savings bank account, term deposit account, and recurring deposit account. Akshay?
Savings bank.
Akshay says that it is savings bank account. Anvit Naik Manvasi?
Mataji savings account.
Savings bank account is the correct answer. Pratham Pandit? Pratham Pandit? Pratham Pandit. Okay. Pratham Pandit has he sent the answer? No. Pratham Pandit has not sent the answer. Okay, let us see next question. This is the first step to be followed to open a bank account. Filling up the bank application form, giving in reference to the bank, making initial deposit, approaching the bank. What is the correct answer, Akshay?
Actually, giving reference to the bank.
That is the first step. Akshay says that reference should be given first. What is the first step? Sinchana D. Bhatt. Sinchana D. Bhatt.
She sent option D.
Option D. Okay, what about Shanvi? Shanvi?
Option D.
Option D. Okay, good. Next one, Vaishnavi N. Hegde.
Many of them sent option D.
Option D, approaching the bank. First we have to go to the bank, no? Then we have to fill the application form. After that, we have to give the reference. Okay? Yes. Next question. Yes. So here we have question number 9. Which among the following is a special relationship between banker and customer? Special relationship it is debtor and creditor relationship, agent principal relationship, obligation to honor check, trustee and beneficiary. Excel.
Obligation to honor checks.
Obligation to honor checks. Okay. Next, Jeevan. What's your answer? Jeevan? Rajesh, Mahesh? Please type your answer fast.
Answer C.
Answer?
C.
Answer C is obligation. Yes, the correct answer is obligation to honor the checks. That is correct answer. Debtor, creditor, trustee, beneficiary and agent principal relationship, they are primary relationships between the banker and customer. Okay, yeah. So 10th question we have, post offices could provide the best service in banking sector because, so options you have there, they are nationalized, they come under the central government, 90% of them are located in semi-urban and rural areas. Last one, they can issue national savings certificate. Akshay?
Say, I think D.
Akshay says that it is D. Yes, others send me your answers fast. Kishore, Sudhanva, what's your answer?
Option C.
Option C. Okay, Sudhanva says that it is option C. Very good. Next, what about Nivedita Hegde? Nivedita.
So many of them sent option C.
Option C is the correct answer. 90% of the post offices are located in rural areas and semi-urban areas. Okay. So the banks, they were set up in the urban areas. Rural people and the people who were living in semi-urban areas could not reach the banks. No, that's why the recent development in banking sector is introducing postal department as the banker. So postal, tentative name. It was decided that this will be called Postal Bank of India. Okay. So that is the important step. So I have got actually 4 more questions, Akshay, from socio-religious reformation movement. Just check it. We had from socio-religious reformation movement and banking transactions lesson. I will share the questions in the group. You can go through the questions once again afterwards, or you can have this set of questions for your revision. So if you want any change in revision, no children, please inform me without fail once you switch on the video. Can you switch on the video? Is it visible? Yeah. See children, if you want any change, see this is a live class. It is very difficult to have quiz in live class. That's why whatever opinion you have, just share with me. You can just message me into my WhatsApp number. Please message me. I'll be waiting. Okay. What did you feel today? So if you answer that Google Sheet and that PDF and also that 7 o'clock quiz, it will be very helpful for you. And also I'll prepare questions of my own. Okay, on my own I'll prepare the questions. What did you feel? What's your opinion about today's class? Was that helpful to you, or if it was not helpful? Or if you want any change, please inform me. Please WhatsApp me. Okay, I'll be waiting for your response. Now also you can WhatsApp me. So now, after some 10 minutes, Soumya Mataji is going to take mathematics class. Please join the meeting when she calls. Okay. So let us end today's social science class. Do you have anything to ask? About English also you can ask here, because English and social science, both of them are handled by me. No? If you have anything to ask, raise your hand, you can speak out. Okay. Yeah. So let us end the class here. Thank you very much.